What does a nosy pepper do? Gets jalapeno business. That one was from Tyler. Don't forget, comment your jokes down below. Right, so hello again, everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a streaming app that I think it's awesome. And it's got some very good content. Right, so that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's crack on. Right, so first of all, what I will ask is do comment down below your favourite movie of all time. I want to build myself a little to-watch list, and it'll be very interesting to see what you lot put. Right, so if I just drag me down here, I'm on the 4K Firestick Max, but this is going to work on any Android device. First of all, I'll quickly show you the app, and then I'll show you how you can install it. So all I'm going to do is go across to my applications, my apps, and the app's behind my head. Can you guess what it is? I'm not even going to show it yet. I'm just going to open it. Right, so I am going to have to get rid of me for a moment. The app is called Sony Crackle. The reason I've got to get rid of me is because there's content playing all the time and I am going to have to blur it for copyright reasons. When you first sign in, we're going to click on skip. I did forget to mention as well, this is a USA-based app. So if you're outside the US, this app won't work for you unless you change your IP address to a US server. And I've got to admit, I'm jealous of how much content you lot get across the pond. So when I first launched the app, it's going to ask me if I want to log in, but I'm going to click on skip because I don't want to have to set any accounts up. And like I said, I will have to blur a lot of this out, but on watch now, you're going to see we've got Spider-Man 1, 2, and 3, Cold Pursuit, Safe, bit of Statham. I'll just scroll across. I'm not going to go too much in depth because I'm hoping you're going to test the app yourself and you'll be able to make your own judgment. But as you can see, there's a lot of content in there. Who's that actor? Is that him from, is it 3 Men and a Baby? I'm not sure. And it's not just movies you've got on here as well, it's also TV shows. You've got Taboo. Is that Tom Hardy? Anyway, if I go all the way across to the left again, you've got TV shows, and you've got Crackle Originals, and then you've got all these different categories down the left, so action, drama, comedy. And honestly, I did a video of this app, I think it was years ago, and it still amazes me how much content is inside it. Go down again. So you've got your categories for your movies, Crackle Originals, and yeah, there's going to be some stuff in here that you don't like, but there's also a lot of stuff in here that I'd watch. For instance, the worst thing about me testing an app is I open it, and I ended up watching Spider-Man for over an hour before I actually made the video. Don't know why, but for some reason, I don't think to watch this sort of stuff. I'll put it on just to test, and then I'm intrigued to see the next part, and I just end up watching loads of it. And then you've got My Crackle, which is if you've got an account, and then you can search for a movie or TV show if you want. So that's the app. It's called Sony Crackle. In my opinion, it's very, very good. And for some reason, almost any streaming app that I find that's from the US, it's always got pretty good content. So how do you install it onto your device? It's relatively simple. First of all, you want to click on Find and see if it's in the official Amazon App Store. Or, if you're using an Android TV device, go to the Google Store and see if it's in there. If not, then I always use Aptoide TV because it's always the updated version. So you want an app called Downloader. I'm guessing most of you have already got this installed on your device. If you haven't, simply go to Find and Search and download Downloader to your Fire Stick. When we open it up, make sure you allow any permissions if it's the first time using it, and click up, and then you want to type in this website exact as you see it here. So let's crackon.org. Try not skipping too much once again because I know a lot of people shout at me for it. So let's crackon.org, exact as you see it there. I'm going to click on go, pause the video if you need to. And once the website loads up, you want to click on where it says menu in the top left, and then click on downloads. Now, the beauty of watching my videos is I tell you where not to click, and we're going to click on that cross because this is an ad. So once you're on the downloads page, we're going to scroll down until you find Aptoide TV. Click on that, and then on the downloads page, you just want to search for that grey download button. There it is, and click on download. Follow the install prompts, and then it's going to install Aptoide TV to your device. And then simply open it up, and you can click on search in the top left-hand corner, and then you're going to search for, we'll just put Sony Crackle, we'll put the full names just so we don't have any issues. So Sony Crackle, click on next, give it a couple of moments, and you're going to see you've actually got a few different versions. And if you click on one, this is the one you want to install. As you can see behind me, let me just remove me, it doesn't say anything about a mouse. Whereas if I click on this one, you're going to see it requires an Air mouse, so that's the mobile version. So the one we want to install is the one that just says Crackle, and then where it says open for me, click on install, and that's it. So that's how to install Sony Crackle onto your Fire Stick or any Android TV device. In my opinion, that's a really good app, but as always, this video might not appeal to everybody, but I do think this is one of the better ones. And as always, when it comes to streaming, a VPN can be very useful, as you saw in this video. A VPN allows you to change your IP address from such as the UK to make it appear like you're in the US. The same vice versa. And a very popular VPN choice is IPVanish. I will leave a link in the description down below to the best deals. And they are affiliated links, so they do help support the channel, but it doesn't cost you any more. And if you do use my links, I want to say thank you very much. But let me know in the comment section down below what you think. I hope you have a cracking day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. I'm watching there. And I'll see you soon. Ta-da! Long that, innit? Nah. Start flicking it. So and click it again to bring up the keyboard. I can't talk. Right, so if you're still here, thank you for sticking around. I'm now going to put a video up here that I think you're going to find useful. And I'll also put a video down here that YouTube recommends that you watch next. As always, take care and sithe.